This is Graham Stevens from KETIV. I'm an application engineer here. Ansys has a ton of new features in 2025 R1. Today I wanted to just cover the low frequency realm relative to Maxwell and MotorCAD. Looking at the Axial-flux machine template, which is the new template for MotorCAD, long awaited to be able to do axial flux motors. There are three topologies: stators, one stator, one rotor, one double-sided stator, two rotors, or two stators, and one double-sided rotor. So some flexibility with regards to your geometry and topology. Allows you to MotorCAD for these axial flux machines, which is kind of an exciting development relative to no longer just the standard rotary models. You still have solver enhancements for MotorCAD relative to the AC losses. And faster FEA solver with losses, so still speeding up calculations in MotorCAD. And then for Maxwell, with the eddy current A-PHY solver that was introduced in 2024 R2, there's some additional features and enhancements that have been added for that solver, looking at AC losses, proximity effects, current density, etc. With improved capabilities for PCBs, power bus bars, power magnetics, and electronic transformers. And you can sort of see all the new enhancements here in terms of terminal current voltage output, detailed materials, nonlinear materials, etc. For the frequency domain solver, you have additional added excitation models for current voltage, including closed coils, the ability to have double potentials and double potential with ground, so you've got multiple coils going, multiple coils start and then reduce to a single coil, etc. So this allows you some more flexibility with regards to your excitations in Maxwell. And then there's also additional core loss computation for the A-PHY eddy current solver. And this includes dielectric loss tangents, magnetic loss tangents, core loss model, etc. To improve loss calculations. Ansys went back into both an AMD library to math-based library to improve Maxwell calculations and speed things up for AMD machines, and then also looking at the solve process for 2D and 3D transient and reducing the amount of disk space and input-output cycles that happen, and so you get some speed-ups with just the improved processing there. If there are some new features that you would like to see within Ansys to help your simulations, help you speed things up, help get better results, please again email me at support@ketiv.com.